Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will be looking at AQA AS Psychology 2022 Paper 2 Exemplar Answers for Research Methods, which you need to know for AQA A-Level Psychology. I hope you enjoy this video and find it helpful. Let's get started. Please note that these answers have been produced with knowledge of the mark scheme but have not been approved by the mark scheme themselves. There are 3 assessment objectives, AOs, in psychology. In this video they are color-coded. AO1 Knowledge, purple. AO2 Application, blue. AO3 Evaluation, red and green. In AS there are 12 mark questions, instead of 16 mark questions. For the purpose of this video and to avoid confusion for A-Level, the 12 mark questions have been turned into 16 mark questions. A psychologist investigated the relationship between stress and illness at a local school. The psychologist placed an advert on the staff room notice board. 10 teachers contacted the psychologist offering to complete the psychologist's questionnaire. In the questionnaire, stress levels were measured on a scale from 1 to 10, with a higher score indicating greater stress. The questionnaire also asked how many days they had been absent from work due to sickness in the previous 6 months. Question 1. Write a suitable operationalized non-directional hypothesis for this investigation, 3 marks. There will be a significant correlation between stress level on a scale of 1 to 10 and number of days absent from work due to sickness in the previous 6 months. Question 2. Identify the sampling method used in this investigation. 1 mark. Volunteer sampling. The results from the study are shown in Figure 1 below. Figure 1. The relationship between stress level scores 1 to 10 and number of days absent from work due to sickness in the previous 6 months. Question 3. What does the graph in Figure 1 suggest about the relationship between stress and illness? 2 marks. There is a positive relationship, suggesting that as stress levels increase, so do the number of days off work due to sickness in the last 6 months. Question 4. Explain why the psychologist could not conclude that stress caused illness on the basis of the data in Figure 1. 3 marks. This is a correlational study, not an experiment, and therefore there is no manipulation of and a cause and effect relationship cannot be established, as a correlation between variables does not automatically mean that the change in one variable is the cause of the change in the values of the other variable. A correlation only shows if there is a relationship between variables. It does not state which variable causes the other or if there is a third extraneous variable that affects both the other covariables. Question 5. Which 2 of the following best describe the stress level scores collected by the psychologist? Shade 2 boxes. 2 marks. A meta-analysis. B. Primary. C. Qualitative. D. Quantitative. E. Secondary. B. Primary. D. Quantitative. In a follow-up study, the psychologist asked the same 10 teachers to take part in an experiment to compare 2 strategies designed to encourage relaxation and lower heart rate. Condition 1. 5 of the teachers were given meditation techniques to complete every day for a week. Condition 2. The other 5 teachers were given a healthy diet to follow for a week. Each teacher's heart rate was measured at the start of the week and at the end of the week. The results are summarized in Table 1. Table 1. Mean and standard deviation values for meditation and healthy diet conditions. Question 6. What do the mean values in Table 1 suggest about the effectiveness of the different strategies? Justify your answer. 2 marks. The mean values in Table 1 suggest that meditation is more effective than a healthy diet. This is shown by the reduction in mean heart rate being greater after meditation than a healthy diet. Question 7. What do the standard deviation values for the meditation condition suggest? Justify your answer. 2 marks. The standard deviation values for the meditation condition suggest that there is less dispersion and variation around the mean of heart rate after the meditation. This is shown by standard deviation values being smaller after meditation than before. Question 8. Outline how the psychologist could have obtained informed consent when conducting the follow-up study. 3 marks. The psychologist could have obtained informed consent when conducting the follow-up study by telling the teachers the aim, purpose, procedure, and length of the study, that they would need to complete meditation or healthy diet for a week, and that their heart rate would be measured at the beginning and end of the week. They would also need to explain they have the right to withdraw at any point within the study, and the psychologist would need to the teachers to sign a consent form agreeing to participate. Question 9. In the follow-up study, the psychologist used a different group of people in each condition, which could have affected the results. Outline 2 ways in which the psychologist might change the design of this study to deal with this problem. 6 marks. One way in which the psychologist might change the design of this study to deal with this problem is by using random allocation method. The teachers could be randomly assigned to the meditation and healthy eating condition by a random number generator. A second way in which the psychologist might change the design of this study to deal with this problem is by using a matched pairs design. The teachers could be matched on key characteristics which might affect meditating or dieting, such as health, age, gender, and personality, with one member of each pair taking part in each condition. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye.